It's good morning. I got a bit late. I had to do some work this morning again, but let's get started. If you don't know me, I'm Jashanpreet, building this SaaS in front of the public and sharing my learnings with all of you. Mm, yeah, I just build and I just talk about everything I learned in the previous days. So let's get started. What we are building right now is a SaaS product where users can upload their selfies, upload their photos, and can create professional photo shoot out of um, out of this. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get started. Let's see where we were at last. Okay, so we were able to train our avatar and then um, can create and generate images for those avatars. It's looking good, and we are limiting this homepage to 12 images, and then in the gallery, it is a paginated um, gallery where users can just kind of filter and um, watch the photos and download or delete them. And they are like pretty good. If you see the quality, they are pretty good. There you go. Okay, let's do it. What else now? What we need to do last week that we discussed was um, we are not sending these details with the prompt. Sitting with children in a park. Let's see what it creates. But yeah, we are not sending these details with this prompt. We are just sending the portrait size. We want to send all of this as well. So let's see how we can do. Yeah, looks good. Let's see how we can do it. Mm, Actually, let's try replicate out that how do we send these for predictions. Let's see. Predictions. Mm, no, see, I'll go to trainings and I'll just open some model, run trained model, create an image of AVT underbar working in Office on iPad. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll add these. I'll just move this. I'll add this photo style creative. I'll just write photo style. Oops. Photo style creative and background minimal, maybe background. That's fine. Background studio, lightning, dramatic, professional level. Let's say 6 out of 10. Detail enhancement, 8 out of 10. Color grading, 7 out of 10. Background blur, both. Let's see. Okay, let's download this and let's change it to true. This way background should be blurred. Won't be always following this because of these guidance scale and this stuff, but that's fine. Nope, background is not blurred. Let's say professional level. Let's say photo style. Um, what should the photo style? Corporate. Let's see if we do it corporate. Background as urban. Lighting as natural. Okay, wait. Lighting as soft. Let's see. Okay, it's not working on the iPad, but that's fine. Urban, then let's change it to office and lightning as studio. Okay, this is good. Um, Make sure the background is blurred. Nope. Let's see. Let's ask. Uh, Very. I'm giving this prompt to fast flux trainer model for prediction on replicate. But it is not generating blur background image. What can be the issue? Here is the whole request. So let's ask the same thing to Claude. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's see. Guidance scale is too low. Okay. Okay, let's move it to 7. It says guide a scale for diffusion process. Lower values can give more realistic images. Good value to try. Okay. Use photography specific terminology. Okay, so Claude have given a new prompt. Let's just try that out. And move this back to how much it was, 3 or 4? 3. Yeah, let's just run it. Okay, so we would need to rewrite the prompt properly. I think that's the only issue. Let's see. Yeah, we would need to rewrite the prompt properly. That's it. Mm, That's fine. Okay, let's make this change. Um, when user it's generate photos button on the home page. Mm, I would want to use Cloud API here. Move the use the Anthropic API to enhance the prompt. And then pass this enhanced prompt to the replicate API. Then passing the basic prompt to Anthropic ANTHRO. Make sure to mm, make sure to also pass these the values from these headings in the sidebar so that prompt can be written incorporating these settings as well. Okay, let's do it. Oh, background, professional level, detail, color grading, background blur. Oh, is that? Go fast. Okay. User generation area, and prompt plus all settings, Anthropic replicate supervised storage. Okay. Let's add Anthropic API key. For that, I'll get the API key. API keys. Okay. Let's go to this. Fetch functions, secrets. Okay. Okay. Add state management to this. Update index. Okay. Update generational area. Update generation params. Okay. Okay. Let's do it. Mm, okay. That's good. Okay. Yeah, we added the API key already. Okay. Implement anthropic prompt enhancement. All the sidebar settings now flow through the edge function, which calls Claude to enhance prompt record. We'll just add time. That's my own. Just that's the only problem I have. Let's just try it out. Let's see if mm, the edge function is there or not yet. Yeah, it's updated. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Professional photo shoot ideas. Let's see. Can we? What is this table called? Um, that's nice. So fashion, studio, lighting, studio, professional level high, detail enhancement high, background turn off. Where? Let's just try it out. Let's see. I see how much time it takes. Nope, the generation failed. Let's see what happened. Uh, we'll go to edge function, generate image, logs. What happened? Let's see in uh, let's see what's up in replicate. What went wrong here? Uh, oh, you didn't write anything like that. Let's try again. Yeah, it created. Okay, now let's see what was passed to this. Create an image professional photo shoot model in elegant culture ensemble, striking a dynamic pose in a pristine white photography studio, dramatic studio lighting with key lights and fill lights, creating perfect contrast. Model wearing designer clothing with intricate texture, luxurious fabrics, and refined tailoring details, flawless makeup with bold contouring, glossy lips, and precisely styled hair. Studio backdrop features seamless white cyclorama with professional photography equipment visible. Saturation and warm undertones, sharp focus throughout the entire frame, showcasing every fabric detail, jewelry, accent, and styling element, high-end fashion photography aesthetic with maximum quality composition, perfect exposure, and commercial polish. I liked it. Okay, let's try once again. Let's try with this. Uh, let's try this. Can we try the same prompt? We don't have. Yeah, we have the same prompt, I think. Oh, it was passed last. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. There should not be any issue. Let's try this again. Inside this trainings. Um, let's just try it out. And meanwhile, background blur, corporate. Yeah, I'll keep it corporate studio, high detail enhancement, delete. She's creating good photos. Let's see. Yeah, looks good. Reading book. Let's see. LinkedIn studio, outdoor office, minimal, soft, generate. Also, I don't want to show the whole prompt. I want to show user entry entered prompt only. Okay. Yeah, AI hallucinated, but that's fine. Um, for image generated, the prompt shown to the user. not- For image generated, the user should see their entered prompt only. I don't want to show them the enhanced prompt. Let's just do it. Uh, let's see. Let's try this out. It's not, image is not that, yeah, it's clear. Okay, what's this? Write a prompt to create image like this, doing fast flux random model. Okay, okay. I want you to give me, let's see. That's fine. This is good. Candid photograph shows the woman with blonde baby hair. Blonde, okay. And black leather. Sitting on the white marble island in a bright kitchen, looking directly at the camera, she wears the same outfit and her hands are clutched in her lap. Okay. The background features white shaker cabinets, a backsplash, tiles, a splash, and over the lightning. What's this? The lightning is natural daylight. Okay. Now we need to keep it casual, let's say. Background outdoor, not outdoor. Office, let's say. Lighting, natural. High professional level, high detail enhancement, color grading, I don't know. Background blur. What's the background blur? Yeah, it is a bit. Generate. And then we can quickly include the today's live stream. It was a good progress though. Okay, there it is. It's not sitting, but it's really good. I mean, let's see what was the prompt sent to this. Okay, now I want to generate, I think I'll set this up later. I want to generate three images at a time. I don't want to generate only one. Okay, then we'll conclude this call. Thank you so much for staying with me, and we'll continue to build tomorrow. Have a good day. Peace.